Hi my dear friends and children. In the last video we discussed about up to 6 single correct answer models. In the today's video we are going to discuss few single correct, multi correct and comprehensive type questions. So now we'll go through 7th question. The number which is a perfect square is. The number which is a perfect square is. So in the properties, the numbers having odd number of zeros cannot be perfect squares. Okay, so here 3 zeros, so this is not a perfect square. Here 5 zeros, this is not a perfect square. Here also 3 zeros, so this is not a perfect square. So while coming to option number 4, so 4 zeros, that means even number of zeros are there, so this is a perfect square number. Then coming to 8th problem, given that 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 7 square. So 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Then 5 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square is equal to 21 square. Then find 5 square plus 6 square plus 30 square is equal to what? So if you observe the pattern here, 2 3s are 6. So after the square number is 6 plus 1. So 3 4s are 12 and after the square number 12 plus 1 square. Then 4 5s are 20. So 20 plus 1, 21 square. Then coming to 5 6s are 30. So 30 plus 1, 31 square value. So 31 square value is going to be our correct answer. So that is option number 1. Okay. So we should first observe the pattern, then we should find. Then we will go for 9th and 10th problems. Now we will discuss problem number 9. If the product of two equal numbers is 1024, then the numbers are. Then how can we find? So first we should factorize the given number. So this is 1024. So we should factorize. So 2 5 1 2. Then 2 2 5 6. Then 2 1 2 8. Then so 2 6 4. Then 2 3 2. Then 2 16. Then 2 8. Then 2 4. Then 2 2 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here 10 times 2 repeated. So we should form as a group 2 into 2, then 2 into 2, then 2 into 2, then 2 into 2, then 2 into 2. Right. So here this is 2 square. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So that means 32 comma 32. So 1024, 32 into 30t is equal to 1024. Then the required option is option number 2. So the digit in the units place in the square of. So if you find 15,876 square, 15,876 square. So you know that So if the digit it's ending with units place and also its square value ending with 6, then now the option is option number 2. So after the single correct answer type, this 10 examples will go for multi-correct model and comprehensive. Now we will discuss multi-correct answer type model. So here, as usually, they will give question and 4 options. But among these 4 options, so we are going to have at least two correct answers. So now we will go through problem. Which of the following numbers are not perfect squares? So not perfect square numbers we should identify. So if you observe, so option number 1. So we know that 1 to 20 square values in the previous videos I explained. So this is not a perfect square. Well, coming to 900, this is 30 square. So that is 900. 10 square, that is 100. So 1 and 4 are the correct options. So we should have at least 2 answers. Then we should bubble. So option number 1 and option number 4 in the OMR sheet. Then coming to 12th question, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So this is a sum of first 5. Sum of first 5 odd numbers. First 5 odd numbers. So 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 25. So 25 is the correct answer. So but this is a multi-correct answer type. Then another option, 64 not equal to 25 and 81 not equal to 25 and 5 square means, so this is equal to 25. So here option number 4 also our correct option. So then we have to choose option number 1 and option number 4 in the OMR sheet. So this is multi-correct answer type model. The next we will go through comprehensive type. So now we will discuss comprehension type. So in this model, they will give one statement or some information. So based on this information, so we should find out the answer. So we are going to have one correct answers here. So which of the following is a perfect square? So according to the definition, the square of a number is the product of a number and itself. So that means square should be multiplied twice. Here 2 into 4. So 2 and 4 are different numbers. Then coming to 2 and 2. So number and itself is multiplying. So you can write it as 2 square. Then coming to remaining options, there is no chance of repetition. Okay. Then coming to problem number 14, 625 is the square of dash number. So 625, so if you know square values 1 to 30, we can easily identify. So 25 is the square value of 625. So otherwise you can write by dividing 625. So we can divide with 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Then so 5 2s are, then 5 5s are. Again 5 5s are. So if you write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So if it is a square value, the factor should be pair. Then 5 into 5. So that is 25 square. 25 square. That is equal to how much? 625. Then coming to 15. Which of the following is not a perfect square? the numbers having odd number of zeros is going to be not a perfect square. So in the first example 3 zeros, then second example 4 zeros, third option 2 zeros, and fourth option 6 zeros. Then odd number of zeros, so that is first option, so is not a perfect square. Then we'll go for matrix match type model. Now we'll discuss matrix match type model. So in this model they will give two columns, that is column number 1, and we should match with column number 2. So what is the first problem? Greatest 2-digit number which is perfect square. So if you observe 1 to 20 square values, so among those 81 is the greatest 2-digit square number, so which is equal to 9 square. So option number R is the first one. Then coming to second one, least 3-digit number which is a perfect square. So here only one 3-digit number they given, so this is equal to 10 square, that means perfect square. So the least 3-digit number is option number S. Then if 12 into x is equal to 144, then the value of x is going to be 12. So why? Because 12 into 12, that is equal to 144. So instead of x, so we are going to have 12. Then the units digit of the least 5-digit perfect square number. So least 5-digit number is 10,000, so which is having even number of zeros. So then this is ending with 0. So then option number P is the units digit of least 5-digit perfect square number. So until we discussed so square definition, perfect square, properties of square, some model examples, and single correct, multi correct, comprehensive, and finally matrix match type model I explained. So this is completely one practice sheet. In the next video I am going to explain cube definition and exercise problems on cubes. So until, keep watching my videos and please do subscribe. So thank you friends, and thank you my dear children. Bye.